Welcome back to Autumn in Asia. This evening, we're going to go to a night market in Nonthaburi, Thailand, a suburb of Bangkok, in case you didn't want to read it. And I'm going to go and explain to you why the street food is so delicious. Yeah, there we are. We're about 20-ish miles from downtown. But no, it does make sense because it is inexpensive, and I've been to a lot of newer houses, and a lot of them don't even have stoves. They just buy a hot plate. And let me explain to you why that is here right after this. Okay, girls, talk to me.
Musim gugur di Asia. Asia no?
Yeah, it's just really simple to get off of work, grab some food for the family. You just kind of get what you want and put it on a tray or whatever, and then sometimes they'll put it back on the heat to get rid of any kind of yuckies or cooties that is on it. This way, right here, that I guarantee you is cutie free. That's right. You ain't gonna find no cooties in there. But anyways, that works for me. And oh, look at that, squid on a stick. Yeah, I know. I think squid, octopus, and dolphin are just a little bit too intelligent. I have difficulties eating them, but that's just me. But anyways, as I was saying, yeah, it's just so much easier to grab the stuff from the market because they cook tons of it. Whereas, what would you cook at home? Oh, an exclusive. It's all exclusive here on Autumn in Asia. But anyways, it's the little background stuff here. But yeah, it's just simpler and much more cost effective just to buy it off of the markets and bring it home. Like I said, a lot of places don't have stoves. Of course, they got refrigerators and everything else like that. But a lot of people will just have it on a hot plate or things like that. So much easier that way. And oh yeah, when it gets crowded, this is the way you get through the crowd. You just kind of like that girl right there is going. You just plow your way through, or else you're gonna be stuck there till tomorrow morning. And oh well, that's why it's getting busy. The girls are sitting on their butts not working. Get up, girls! And there you can see it from a block away. We're right by Westgate Mall. There's about 200 restaurants up on the third floor. You can get anything that you want to eat, really. Starting at $25 a couple, maybe cheaper. But gosh, for 25 bucks, so you can get several days food just by going to the night markets. And that's where it's at, Sam Tao Hin Municipality. Oh, and I do want to say, if you're ever in Bangkok or outside of Bangkok, whatever, go in the neighborhoods, go in the residential neighborhoods and walk around. I mean, you're not going to get mugged or anything, but I mean, it's just wonderful, and people are so friendly, and they'll ask you, hey, do you need a taxi? Are you lost or anything? You just smile and just talk to them if you can. This is actually part of the day market too. But this is night. Some of it's still open. But down in them aisles there, you will have your fish and poultry and pork, whatever. But that's usually earlier in the daytime, and it's kind of closed right now. But I'll show you a good market later on. But thanks for being with me, and y'all have a great day.